Okay, you all, I am so shamelessly plugging these chicken wings, fried chicken wings. I was blessed to have some time to myself on today, and I felt like some chicken wings fried. It's not like the deep fried, it's just like a stainless steel pot boil fried chicken, and I actually have some ribs in the oven, some baby back ribs. I told y'all before, cooking is definitely therapeutic for me. Angela Gilbert Cameron, Prayer Dynasty, that cooking chick, you all, that dynasty chick. These are almost done. Uh, they speak for themselves. Like I said, they're not deep fried. They're honestly like stainless steel fried chicken wings, but I had to taste for them on today, as well as some pork ribs, which I have in the oven. You all, we're embarking on a new year, the year of gain, 2023. No pain, no gain. 2023, no pain, no gain, the gain year. I promise y'all, y'all get y'all dreams together. Let's do it. We about to embark. Hallelujah. Kingdom, prayer dynasty. You all be blessed. 7. So much more to come, you all. Stay tuned. Dream, dream, dream. I can't stress enough. Dream, then execute. Dream. God bless.